Good morning, everyone. You are listening Vinay Kumar, your news anchor from Lavapara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. PM Modi looks inward to save Indian economy as crisis bites. This is from New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi wants to make India more self-reliant, but if the experience over the past few years in anything to go by, it's not going to be easy. Faced with disruptions to raw material supplies from China because of the pandemic and millions of job losing following a nationwide lockdown, Modi has retached up calls to boost local manufacturing and reduce India's reliance on imports. A shortage of personal protective equipment at the beginning of the outbreak increased his resolve, and within the space of just 2 months, India has become the world's biggest maker of PPE kits after China. That success has only emboldened Modi as he exhorts Indians to buy local goods. A military standoff with China is now adding fuel to those calls. Following a deadly clash between soldiers from both countries along a contested Himalayan border this month, Indian political leaders have called for a boycott of Chinese goods and possible higher tariffs on products from its neighbor. Traders who were previously reluctant to snub cheap Chinese imports have now come up with a list of 300, even 3,000 items, including toys, watches, and plastic products that can easily be replaced by local manufacturing. The push to cut import this time is more pronounced in its economic nationalism, said Amitendu Palit, a senior research fellow at the National University of Singapore. The dominant thinking of its businesses give up imports and start making the same products at home. Then they would create jobs and generate incomes in a self-sustaining process. That is from today. I, Vinay Kumar, will come back with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.